What's up, guys, and good morning. It's another beautiful day here out in Chelan. I'm out here with Brookers, and we got Charlie Dog, and we're tackling a new project. We started this last time we were here, but these logs are in dire need of refinishing. As you can see, they've been neglected for several years, haven't been stained or whatnot, and so what we're doing is we are, hang tight, let me get this wind chime down. All right, sorry about that. So what we're doing is we are actually removing all the chinking in between the logs. Before it was a mortar and it was just kind of all cracked. It was separating from the logs over the years, and we're going to replace it with a synthetic. It's called Log Jam by Sashco. Replace it with that, and it will stick to the logs and move with the logs as they move around. And then we're also, as you can see down here at this log, we're going to sand them all down to bare wood. A lot of this is just really damaged wood, so we're going to sand it down. I'm using the angle grinder with a sanding disc, and we're going to get them down to bare wood and going to restain it. So last time we were here, I got this whole side, pretty much all the chinking all done. And today we're going to come over here on the front side and remove all this chinking. Hopefully we can get this done, and then either later today we go on the back side and get that done, and then we'll start sanding. Tools we're using, we're going to be using hammer. I brought this out this time. Hopefully this works a lot better than just a hammer to get behind the chinking, a flat bar, crowbar, and then this nail puller is pretty cool because this top part pivots, and so for getting up behind this chinking, this mesh, it's all nailed in, and so to get good angles you can rotate this, and it helped out a lot. All right, here we go. All right, got my glasses and some good protection on my hands here. Does anyone else have just gloves hanging around that just are doing nothing? All right, so this side's definitely going a lot slower than the other side. Maybe it's because the sun goes this way and just didn't get as much movement. I don't know, or they redid this side, but it's just going a little bit slower. Set up a time lapse here. All right, we got Bree out here working now. Bree, what do you think about all this?
So fun. A little overwhelmed, but gotta get it done. So here we go.
And Brooke, what do you think about it?
Good.
Good. What are you doing?
Drinking lemonade.
Drinking lemonade. All right, we got this wall about halfway done. It's actually going easier because the mesh is only stapled in instead of nailed in. So once you get it pried off from the wall a little bit, it just starts coming off. So making good time here. Okay, I think the girls just got back from the store. Hey, Brooke. What'd you guys do?
Around here's sinking. You was hiding?
Oh, you thought I was hiding? No, it's just I'm working on the backyard, or back of the house. We got the front all done. Took a long time, mainly because in the corner, right over here where it meets up,
Dad,
there's a new caulking type material against the cement, and it's just like that stuff is super strong, and that's what we're going to be putting in to the new. After the logs get shaved down and stained, we're going to put the new stuff in. So it's going to be super strong stuff, and it can move with the logs as they expand and contract. So now we're all done with this wall. Took a while, but got it done. And we have one last wall here. So you can see it's not too tall. There is one wall over here, but it's covered by a roof, and the logs aren't bad at all. They've been protected and the mortar's fine. So we're gonna not touch that.
What, sweetie? Someone watching? Scary?
Yay!
Good girl. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good claps.
All right, guys, finally got everything done on this side. So now all the chinking is out. So we're gonna start grinding, and I'll show you what I'm using here. I just got a simple Makita angle grinder here. It has a 4.5 inch, I think it's 36 grit on it. So it grinds it down pretty good, as you can see on this log behind me. So yeah, here we go. Now for the fun transformation part. All right, guys, we are done. I think we got a good amount done. Got all the chinking removed, and then started sanding on these logs, and I think they look pretty good. This place is gonna be like a whole new cabin. I don't know how long it's been since it's been stained, but it's gonna have a good look on it. What do you think, Bree?
You did a good job.
Thank you.
That's what this
Really dusty though. So maybe this will be the end of this video. I don't know. We're not going to be back out here for another couple weeks, but we got a good start. We got all the chinking done. Now we just need to sand, then we stain, and then we rechink, and then we're done.
Hopefully there's no bees next time we come out.
Yeah.
black.
All right.
Odd one.
Brooke, can you say bye to everyone?
Bye.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.